Unraveling Slang. Understanding two-bit job. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into an intriguing phrase in the English language, two-bit job. This phrase might sound a bit odd, especially if English isn't your first language. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. To understand two-bit job, we first need to know what two-bit means. The term two-bit has its roots in early American history. A bit was a coin worth about 12.5 cents. So, two-bit would be 25 cents, not a lot of money. Over time, two-bit became a slang term for something cheap or of low value. Now, let's break down two-bit job. When someone refers to a task or a job as a two-bit job, they mean it's of poor quality, insignificant, or not worthy of respect. It's often used to describe a task done poorly or without much care. This phrase can be a bit negative, so be cautious when using it. Let's see some examples to understand better. 1. The repair work on the car was a two-bit job. It broke down again in a week. Here, it means the repair work was poorly done. 2. Don't trust that agency. They're known for their two-bit jobs. This implies that the agency does work of poor quality. Using these examples, you can start to get a feel for how and when to use two-bit job in everyday conversations. If you want to use similar expressions, here are a few synonyms. Shoddy work, half-baked job, low-grade task. These terms can be used interchangeably with two-bit job, but remember, they all carry a slightly negative connotation. That's a wrap on two-bit job. Now you know what it means, its origins, and how to use it in a sentence. Remember, it's a slang term that's a bit on the negative side, so use it wisely. I hope this video has been helpful and has added a fun phrase to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.